Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Trini-style banana bread using an easy method. First, ensure your bananas are very ripe, ideally with brown spots for the best flavor. Mash about 3 to 4 medium-sized bananas until they are mostly smooth, leaving a few small lumps is fine. Then, in a large bowl, whisk together your mashed bananas, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. This forms the flavorful base. Next, in a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients. Whisk together 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. You can also add a pinch of nutmeg for extra Trini flavor. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing gently with a spatula. Stop mixing as soon as the flour streaks disappear to keep the bread tender. Now, prepare your loaf pan. Grease and flour a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, or line it with parchment paper for easy removal. Pour the banana bread batter evenly into the prepared pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Your delicious Trini-style banana bread is now ready to enjoy. This recipe yields a wonderfully moist and flavorful loaf, perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. It pairs beautifully with a cup of coffee or tea. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or refrigerate for longer freshness. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.